Jon Phillips Armour Collection. The Jon Phillips Armour Collection is a private collection of armoured vehicles owned by John Welderbeast Phillips, a mobile welder and World War II vehicle hobbyist from Hull, England. The collection includes a replica Panzerkampfwagen III Ausf, a restored original Sturmgeschütz III Ausf, and a restored Volkswagen Schwimmwagen. Panzerkampfwagen III Ausf, a replica. Jon Phillips initially converted an FE-432 armoured personnel carrier chassis combined with the F-401 Scorpion light armoured vehicle turret to produce a replica Panzerkampfwagen III Ausf, in order to participate in War and Peace revival. Construction time was 8 weeks. Model Roman III Ausf. Restoration. In October 2016, Jon Phillips acquired the parts to a Model Roman III Ausf, which he is currently restoring in his shop. The plan is to convert it to Ico 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine. G Roman III Ausf. G replica. In 2008, Jon Phillips produced a replica of a G Roman III Ausf, using the chassis of an FE-432 armoured personnel carrier as a host vehicle. G Roman III Ausf. D restoration. G Roman III Ausf. D chassis number 90,678 was captured by the British Army at El Alamein in the North African campaign and was taken to the UK for test and study. This tank was recovered from the Pubrai fire range in UK and was then part of Kevin Wheatcroft collection. The project was started on 1 May 2013 and was completed 1 July 2016. The engine and transmission are not original, but were sourced through a surplus FE-432 armoured personnel carrier. Social media. The G Roman III Ausf. The restoration was openly shared on social media, with many parts being sourced and suggestions made through its Facebook page and several YouTube channels.